Friends, I am Yusra Khanam from first MSc Applied Microbiology, Sacred Heart College, Tirupattur. Today, let's learn about a bacteria name called Enterococcus. First, let's see what is the general characteristics of Enterococcus. It is a gram-positive cocci which is spherical in shape, diplococci, grown in pairs, non-spore forming. The optimal temperature is 45 degrees Celsius to 113 degrees Celsius. It is a facultative anaerobe. The common human pathogenic species of Enterococcus is Enterococcus faecalis and Enterococcus faecium. The important cause of nosocomial disease. This is one of the major cause of nosocomial disease. Now let's see a virulence factor. The first virulent factor is cytolysine or hemolysin. They lyses the sheep or human RBC. The next is aggregation substance or pheromones. They help in the clumping of adjacent cells to facilitate the plasmid exchange, which means a transfer of drug resistance. The next is extracellular surface protein. It is a type of protein which helps in adhesion to bladder mucosa, which is responsible for UTI infection. The common group D lipoteichoic acid antigen, it is also one of the factor. It includes cytokine release such as tumor necrosis factors. Coccolysine, it inactivates endothelin, a vasoactive peptide. Now let's see pathogenesis. The first, surface carbohydrates adheres to the cardiac walls. Then it synthesizes fibrinogens and vegetation, and it get vegetative in a valve and cause infective endocarditis. For UTI, the pathogenesis is a simple adhesion to the renal epithelial cell, and then it causes UTI. The less common association is wound, bloodstream, biliary tract, pelvic infection, intra-abdominal abscess. Now let's see what is the clinical disease caused by the Enterococcus species. There are three clinical diseases, which is UTI infections, infective carditis, and infection of prosthetic devices and wounds. The symptoms of UTI is cystitis, phlebonephritis, dysuria, frequency, urgency, suprapubic flank tenderness. The infective endocarditis symptoms are subacute onset of fever, malaise, peripheral signs, for example, Janave lesions, Osler's nodes. Then the cardiac murmurs, usually on left side, splenomegaly. Infection of prosthetic device or wounds includes erythema, swelling, tenderness, and warmth. Now let's see the laboratory diagnosis. In a gram, it is a gram-positive oval cocci arranged in pairs. Cocci is arranged in pairs. In blood agar, it shows smooth grey non-hemolytic translucent colonies. Rarely it produces alpha or beta hemolysis. In McConkey agar, it produces minute magenta pink colonies. It grows very poorly in nutrient agar. Now let's see the treatment. Enterococcus shows intrinsic resistance to the cephalosporin and cotrimoxazole. The most strains of Enterococcus are resistant to penicillin, aminoglycosides, and sulfonamides. The resistance is overcome only by a combination therapy with penicillin or ampicillin and aminoglycosides such as gentamicin due to a synergistic effect, and this remains the standard therapy for life-threatening enterococcal infection. Thank you so much for watching my video.